Hello everyone! Welcome to our new vlog. For today's vlog, we are in a different kitchen and I'm happy to introduce my daughter here, Kat. She is helping for our catering to the soldiers, officers, mess hall inside the base. And of course, we have a guest, sous chef, my mother-in-law, Nanette Sweat. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. So they are helping me out today for our catering. We'll be cooking kung pao chicken with steamed rice for the mess for the soldiers. So come with us and join us for our kung pao chicken dish for today. Yeah, I'm toasting the Szechuan Peppercorn. This is originated in China. This is one of the flavor of kung pao chicken. This Szechuan Peppercorn, it makes like a tingling, numbing effect taste. It's not too spicy, but it's spicy. After we toast this, we're going to grind it. There's no alteration for this spice. This is a signature taste of kung pao chicken. Nagpiprito po tayo ng chicken. Yung chicken breast, kinat lang into small cubes. Minarinate lang natin siya ng salt, pepper. Tapos gumawa ng butter. Equal parts ng cornstarch, tsaka flour, tsaka itlog. Then mix. Tapos minix lang natin dun sa minarinate nating chicken cubes. So yan, tapos ipiprito natin ngayon. Ayan. Pag natapos natin iprito lahat, saka tayo gagawa ng sauce. Ayan, iprito natin mga about 3 minutes. After natin i-fry sa una, i-double fry natin para mas crispy siya at para pag nilagay na natin yung sauce, mahu-hold niya yung sauce. Hindi siya agad-agad magsasagi. So, yan, i-double fry natin. Ready to make the sauce. First, we're going to put the garlic, lots of garlic, because we're making 9 kilogram of chicken breast. Crushed Szechuan peppercorn that we roasted earlier. The white part of the spring onion. We'll turn on the burner. We will cook all the spices so that the natural oil will come out. So the garlic are already cooked and the dried chili came out. The natural oils came out. So it's ready to put oil. We have dark soy sauce. This is half a cup of dark soy sauce. We're using Chinese vinegar, Szechuan vinegar. So we're putting half a cup. We have Shangxing wine. We're putting a half cup. If you want alcohol free, you can just omit this one and put vinegar. One cup of brown sugar to balance all the saltiness that we put in there. So we're putting a chicken powder to enhance the chicken flavor of our dish. Now we will put water, 3 cups of water. And we will wait until the liquid boils. This is a slurry, cornstarch and water. We will mix it slowly. We will wait until the sauce is thickened and the cornstarch is already cooked. This is what we're looking for, is syrupy consistency of the sauce. Now we're ready to put the chicken. We will mix all together, all the ingredients. We put the bell pepper, and here is the peanut. So those who have an allergy for peanut, you can put the cashew nuts. Now we will be putting the green onion. And we will sprinkle it with sesame seed. Now this is ready, we will put that in a pan. Yum! So this is ready. This is for 79 people. We will deliver this at the mess hall. And this is good to serve with steamed rice. Now we're done cooking our kung pao chicken. And we also have steamed rice to serve with it. If you like our vlog today, like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to try our recipe for kung pao chicken, take a picture and send us at the comment down below so that we can see your creation. Have a great day. Bye.